In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment. Okay. In today's assignment, you may see we have three files. One is instruction file, one is solution file, and there is one supporting file. So first of all, we will just open our instruction file. It is just getting opening, you may see. Okay, now simply click on enable editing, then make this zoom. Okay, so before going to solve our assignment step by step, first we move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today's assignment? In today's assignment we have 14 points, you may see. Okay, we have just 14 points in today's assignments. So our today assignment name is Excel 3E revenue. Okay, we make this increase size, change its color. Okay, and it is already bold. Okay, project description. What is about project? So in the following project, you will edit worksheet that summarize the revenue budget of the city Springbury. Okay, so first of all, in first step, we have to open the Excel student Excel 3 revenue Excel download this project. Okay, first of all, we will open this sheet that we have already downloaded from Pearson website. Okay, which sheet? We have to just like student Excel. Okay, this one. We have to open this one. Okay, click on enable editing. In next part, what we have to do? We have to in cell D5 construct a formula to calculate percentage of total revenue from taxes by dividing next fiscal year for leasing total project. Okay, so from instruction we get idea that we have to work on D5. So first we have to find where is D5, this D5. Okay, here we have to work, and what we have to do, we have to construct a formula to calculate percentage of total revenue. Okay, percentage of total revenue project by from taxes by dividing taxes divided by project revenue for next fiscal for leasing total project, this one. Okay, so we have to put formula there. For that we have to put equal sign, then select this one, divide by on this one, and for that we have to just like give absolute reference. Okay, we have to absolute because this value will be used for each and every point. Okay, for that we have to give absolute and press enter. Okay, this is done. Then use absolute cell reference as necessary. Yes, we have already put. After that, then what we have to do? Okay, sorry. Use an absolute cell reference. Yes. Now format the result in the percent style. Okay. We have to give this percent style. This is percent style. Click on there. Okay. Our result will come in percent. Then center the percentage. Now we have to center the percentage. Select this one, and there is center. You may see. Click. Okay. Center the percentage. After that, now we have to fill the formula down through D9. Okay, now we have to fill the formula to D9. Okay, this is done. You may see. So in this way we have solved question number 1. In question number 1, what we have to do, we have to construct formula in D5 where we have to calculate percentage of total project revenue from taxes by dividing the project revenue for next fiscal years for lease by total project revenue for next years. Okay, so question number 1 is done. Now we are moving to our next question, that is question number 3. In question number 1 we have to open the sheet. In question number 2 we have to construct formula in D5. Now we are moving toward question number 3. In question number 3, what we have to do, we have to select non-adjacent range A5 to A9, C5 to C9. First we have to select both ranges A5 to A9. Where is, here we have to write A5 to A9 and press enter. You may see it is selected. Now other ranges C5 to C9, and now we have to hold control key and find where is C5. This is C5, C5 to C9. Okay, now both ranges are selected. After that, then what we have to do as a data, okay, for as the data for pie chart, and insert 3D pie chart. What we have to do, we have to insert 3D pie chart. Okay, first we have to select both ranges, then we have to construct both ranges 3D pie chart. For that we have to click on insert, and there is pie chart. Open this and there is 3D pie chart. Okay, click on there. After that, now we have to move the chart to new sheet, name project revenue chart. Okay, now we will move our chart to new sheet. First we will copy the name of new sheet, and now here we have to move this chart to new sheet. For that we have to click on there. Okay, and there move chart. Okay, new sheet, and there we have to paste that name that we have already copied. Simply press OK. Okay, you may see our chart is shifted to another sheet, and that name is already there. Okay, so our question number 3 is done. In question number 3, what we have to do, we have to do just like first we have to select the range non-adjacent ranges, that is A5 to A9 and C5 to C9. After selecting both ranges, then we convert both ranges to pie chart, 3D pie chart. After that, then we just like move our pie chart to new sheet, that name is given. After solving question number 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. In question number 4, first we will read instruction, then we will solve. As the text for a chart title element, this one. Okay, so this project revenue line, or just like we have to use this as a chart title. Okay, so we have to simply copy this one from here, control C, come on here, and there we have to select, simply press control A and control V. We have copy already. Okay, so our chart title has been changed. Now after that, with a word style in first row, click second style. Okay, now we have to change with a word style in first row, click second style. First row, second style, this one. Okay, after that, then we have to change the font size to 32. Okay, we have to select this one. Okay, control A, and now we have to change font size. Here we have to simplify 32 and press enter. Okay, our font size has been changed. So question number 4 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 5. Remembering that we are solving Excel 3E revenue, it's Pearson by lab solution assignments. Okay, and remember that we have just 14 points in assignment. Okay, now we are moving toward part 5 or question 5. Okay, in question 5, what we have to do, first we will read instruction, then we will solve. Or removal the legend, or remove the legends from chart element. First we have to remove the legends, so click on there, and there's legend already there, we have to remove, so we have to uncheck. No, legend has been removed. Then in next word, and then add data label chart element formulated so that only category name and percentage displayed, position in center. Okay, category name and percentage will be displayed, and that will be in center. So for that we have to click on there, we have to click more option. From here we have to select percentage and category name, remove values. Okay, no, that must be in center, so from here we have to click on center. Okay, after that then we will just like format the data label with font style, just like we are here. Okay, format the data label with font style of bold, font size 14. Okay, now here first we will make them bold simply and change font size. What we have font size 14, so they are already selected. Okay, simply write 14, press enter. Okay, then after that, to format the data labels, be sure they are selected. Yeah, they are selected. So our question of 5 is done. Okay, in question of 5, what we have done, we just simply remove the legend from the chart element. Then we have add data labels and formulated data labels, only category name and percentage displayed in position in center. After that, then we will just like formulate those category name and percentage by bold and font size 14. So question 5 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Okay, in question 6, what we have to do, format the data series using 3D effect. Okay, format the data series using 3D effect. So first we have to find data series. Where are data series? Okay, these are data series. You may see from here. Okay, data series are there. Now what we have to using 3D format effect. 3D format effect here. 3D format effect. Then what we have to do, we have to change the top bevel and bottom bevel to first, change the top bevel and bottom bevel to first, sorry, change the top and bottom bevel to first bevel of the first row. Okay, so top bevel, open this first bevel, then this one bottom bevel, first bevel. Okay, then set the top bevel width height 355 points. Okay, 355 points, top and bottom bevel by 350 points here, then here 350 point. Okay, and then set bottom bevel. Now in bottom bevel width height 0 point, change material under standard. Okay, in both we have to change to 0. Okay, this one also 0. Then change the material, change the material under standard, click last material metal. Okay, no, there in material, in standard lost, this one metal, click on there. Okay, so question number 6 is done. Question number 6 is quite lengthy one, in which we have to format the data series using 3D format. Sorry, change the top bevel and bottom bevel to the first level bevel in the first row, set the top bevel width and height 350 point, and then set the bottom bevel width and height 0 point. Change the material under standard. Okay, in this way we have solved question number 6. Sorry, in this way we will solve question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Okay, for that you have to just like, if you need complete solution for this file, you may also contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. Remember, result will be 100% and our deal will be reasonable in price and marks will be above 95%. You may also contact me for full course deal. I'm available for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounts. So if you need any help regarding your academic, you may also contact with me. Okay, this time we just cover Excel 3 revenue. Okay, in this assignment we cover first 7 points. Okay, we will meet soon with our next assignment, and now I'm just going to write, it's a really important one. Okay, please read carefully, it will really helpful for you. Okay, fair complete solution contact me on more WhatsApp number that is given in video description. Result will be 100%. Okay, we make this third one. Okay. For complete solution, contact me on my WhatsApp number that is given in video description. And if you haven't have WhatsApp, then you may also contact me on my email ID, my Instagram ID. Both links are available in video description. Remember that your result will be 100% in each and every assignment. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be above 95% in full course. Okay, so this time we just cover first 7 points. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So take care, bye bye, and best of luck for your future. We will meet soon with our next assignment.